Problem 33. Jake spent a total of $20 on the items below. 2 movie tickets for $6 each. 2 movie tickets for $6 each, that'd be a total of $12. 1 bag of popcorn for $3.50. And 2 drinks for $2.25 each. 2.25, 2 times 2 is 4, and 25 cents times 2 would be 50 cents, so $4.50. I'm just checking to see that this total really does equal $20. 12 plus 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19, and then another dollar. You add those two 50 cents together, that's right, $20. Okay. What percent of the $20 did Jake spend on movie tickets? Well, he spent, on movie tickets, he spent this amount. 2 movie tickets for $6 each for a total of $12. So the percent of the $20 would be 12 over 20, or that's the fraction. That's the fraction he spent, fraction of the $20 he spent on movie tickets. If you want to express that as a percent, remember percent means per 100 or out of 100, so we need a denominator of 100, and we can get there by multiplying 20 times 5. So if we multiply the denominator times 5, we have to multiply the numerator times 5. And 12 times 5 equals 60. 60 over 100, so 60%, which is answer choice C. There's actually an easier way to solve this problem. If you look at the amount he spent on movie tickets, $12, that's more than half of the $20, because half of the $20 would be $10. If he spent more than half of the money on movie tickets, you know the percent has to be greater than 50%, and the only answer choice greater than 50% is answer choice C, 60%. Problem 34. Zariah's bicycle wheel can travel about 6.5 feet per revolution. 6.5, I'm going to do it over here. I'm not going to get to this problem in this video. 6.5 feet per revolution. Per 1 revolution. So that's a unit rate. That's how far it travels in 1 revolution, which is the circumference of the wheel. Which statement is best supported by this information? The wheel can travel about 120.5 feet in 60 revolutions. So if we went 60 revolutions, we'd be multiplying by 6 times 60. 6.5 times 60. Answer choice F is telling us that that equals 120.5. Well, I think you can see that 60 times 6 would be 360. This is nowhere near correct. I mean, the factor you'd be multiplying 6.5 times would be even less than 20, because 6 times 20 would be 120. So we can estimate and just see that that's wrong. Basically, to solve this problem, you're going to multiply this unit rate times the number of revolutions until you find the one that matches that number of feet. And you can estimate on all of these and rule them out. 40 revolutions, 40 times 6 would be 240. That's nowhere near 33.5. I mean, you can estimate, but to be even more precise, we could do the multiplication. 6.5 feet times 40 revolutions. One decimal place, so 260. You could do that for each of these until you find the one that works. The one that works is J. 6.5 feet per revolution times 15 revolutions. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 2 is 32. Now we're in the tens place. Start with a 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6. Adding those, we get 975. 1 decimal place here. No decimal places here. 1 decimal place in our answer. 97.5 feet. Answer choice J. Lots of ways to solve that one. You can use estimation, especially since the answer choices are saying about. That's a key that you can estimate. You can estimate and rule out all 3 of these first 3 answer choices. But you know, your time's unlimited on the TAKS test. I would also estimate and then also find a precise answer just to double check. So the answer is answer choice J on that one. Pick up the test review with problem 35 on the next video.